Use a small flat blade screwdriver to unscrew the fixing screw. Unplug the wiring plug and remove the fixing screw. Use a screwdriver to pry open the internal wiring terminals of the plug. Remove the two existing wires. Find two more wires and connect them to the live and null line respectively. Do not connect them to the ground terminal. Insert the terminal into the solenoid valve coil pin in the correct direction. Connect a plug to the other end of the wire. If you can hear a tick sound when you plug in the power, it means that the solenoid valve coil can work. If there is no sound when the solenoid valve is plugged in, it means that the solenoid valve coil is damaged and needs to be replaced.